Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Discord on your PC. Open the app and focus on the lower left corner. Once the app is visible, click your avatar to reveal status options. This is faster than digging through settings, and it changes your presence immediately. Make sure you're signed into the correct account because status is account-specific. Next, look for the status menu that appears above your avatar. You'll choose Do Not Disturb there, so you can silence notifications instantly. Once the status menu is open, select Do Not Disturb. This sets a red status and suppresses notification sounds and pop-ups. You do this to avoid interruptions during a meeting or focused work, and it's immediate across servers and DMs. Make sure to check the small red circle on your avatar to confirm it applied. If you want a temporary DND, consider using a custom status with a timer in settings. However, the drop-down gives the quickest, universal result. Finish by verifying Do Not Disturb is active. Glance at your avatar's red dot, then ask a friend to send a DM or check from another device. Notifications should be blocked. If you still receive pings, make sure no server or channel override is set to force notifications, because those can bypass simple status settings. If problems persist, restart Discord, check Windows Focus Assist, or mute your audio output. These steps usually resolve edge cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.